guys, so we are learning to subtract with decimals. So the biggest thing, just like in our addition when it comes to our subtracting of decimals, is that we line up our decimal points. So for my first one, I have 481.2 and then 63.18. My decimals have to be lined up. So I'm going to go ahead and put my decimal in and then write my 1A and then write my 6.3. So those decimals lining up is super important. Then I'm going to put my placeholder up here, which is just a 0. The 0 doesn't change that number at all. After that, we really subtract like we normally would. So I can't subtract this one, so I'm going to have to go next door and borrow. So that's going to be 10 minus 8 is 2. 1 minus 1 equals 0. My decimal point just drops down. Again, I can't do 1 minus 3, so I'm going to come over. 11 minus 3 equals 8, 1, and then 4. So that is my answer. Okay, let's do one more. So this one's a little bit easier because I have 2 numbers behind both of my decimals. So that's going to make it a little bit easier for me. So 519.21 minus 207.51. And then the same thing, I just subtract like I normally would. 0. Now, even if I'm crossing over a decimal, that's okay. I'm still have to go next door to borrow, and it still changes over. So it's going to be a 7, 1, 1, 3. And that's how we subtract with decimals.